looks like I'm going to get another steam stroke from the Lennox Elite series. Steam show. Just fogged up the lens. That was another short defrost cycle, but I'll take it. And the Ducane is actually starting to freeze up too. You know what? I'm going to hold out for another defrost cycle. I'll be back. Okay, so the Ducane seems to be somewhat more frozen than it was before. And yeah, I can't tell if that copper coil back there is frozen, but there's a little ice buildup right there. Don't know if that means anything. But hey, at least I got another steam stroke from the Lennox Elite series. Hopefully I will be back. Out. And it shut off. Okay, I'm gonna wait for one more on and off cycle. Then I'm probably gonna head out of here. Okay, that's I think that's a Copeland's coil compressor. I have a feeling all this ice is going to melt off. Okay. Once again, I will be back. Here's the Lennox once again. And the Ducane is still not running. Yeah, that's very nice and warm. All the ice seems to have melted off, but then the axis panel is gonna, well, the screw right there is missing. pump care information. Yeah, and I think this Ducane might have replaced another Lennox. There's evidence of that right there. And these units do not appear to be mounted up on legs when it snows. But I don't think it is that big of a deal because there's a little shelter thing right there. Unless the snow, unless the wind blows the snow against the heat pumps, then that could cause a problem. So if I were them, I would have mounted these up on risers. Oh. There it goes. And the Lennox looks like it's already starting to freeze back up. Where that copper coil back there is frozen. And it just shut off. There's the leftover runoff from its last defrost cycle. And once again, I will be back. Okay, so the Ducane is still running. And the ice is building up again. It's not much at all, but it's something. And there goes the Lennox Elite series. And again, I think this is a 2004 ton R22 refrigerant. Suction line, disconnect boxes. Well, you know what? No, that's the disconnect box to this unit. Now that's the disconnect box to this unit. And that third one, I guess, is for the component. Just curious, wonder if I can get a manufacture date off of this thing right here. Looks like it might say 2010, but I'm not sure. Or 2001. Okay, I got those numbers backwards. once again, I will be back. And it shut off again. Okay, I already got one defrost cycle. It might be too much to ask for another one. For this one to defrost, but... And... I'm probably gonna wrap it up. I've waited around for probably almost an hour. And I got the Lennox Elite series heat pump defrosting, so I guess I'm satisfied with that. And this camera battery needs to be recharged. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.